Kaepernick. I think I finally got the pronunciation down. I might be able to spell it.
A-E, that's the tricky part right there. Let's check in with our Fox 40 financial analyst, Keith Springer, a little smart money chat on this Tuesday morning. Hey, Keith, the big board up last time we looked. We're off to a pretty good start, and are you surprised by that?
Well, it's good news this morning. You know, first of all, I think we're in the wrong business, Paul. I think between Kaepernick jerseys and $450 Starbucks cards going for $1,100, I think who needs stocks anymore? I mean, that's
I think those of us that are on TV need to start wearing numbers on our suits and ties, and maybe we could get a little marketing deal there, Keith.
Well, I would follow both of you, Beth. You know, Paul, I'm definitely going to follow you guys. You know, I'll follow you all the way back to college.
All right. So why are we up this morning? I have not heard budding great news out of Washington, D.C., have I?
Actually, we have. Great news is moderate or okay news nowadays because they're not really talking to the public. We have some thawing going on the fiscal cliff. Remember, as a couple of days ago, I believed that if the fiscal cliff were to finally get solved, and it will, I believe, before the year end, the stock market will really boom higher. And we had some thawing. We had Obama tone down the rhetoric, not so much hit him on the chin anymore. We had the Republicans come back and say they would give a little bit. Yesterday, I heard some rumblings that the Democrats were about to allow Social Security to go up to 67 from 65. We talked about that a couple of days ago as well. So just moderate news is definitely good news for the market.
Okay, Keith, some news out this morning when it comes to U.S. imports and exports. So what do we know?
You know, the exports are going down because there's a global slowdown. We're starting to see our trade gap widen, which is not really a surprise. We keep lowering our dollar, the value of our dollar, to increase our exports. The problem is everybody else in the world is doing the same thing because there's a global slowdown. So we're seeing a big slowdown in Europe, which accounts for 25% of our exports. China's slowing way down. So the whole world is slowing down around us, so therefore we're shipping less. A lot of people feel this might bring us into a recession next year as well.
Well, at least we can blame it on someone else, Keith. Thank you very much. We'll chat with you later on. Folks, if you have any questions for Keith Springer, send them to money@fox40.com. And by the way, during the day, if you just want to work on your own finances, if you want to ask him a question directly, you can call him up at 916-925-8900.
And now let's get over to Sheldon Orvis in the Atlantis-Reno Traffic Center.
Bethany, we're back to this crash.